Hi everyone, today I'm outside and I'm recording with another phone, not with my main phone. Here I have a circuit breaker, and you know, when I'm outside and I have a circuit breaker, something is more interesting than usual. Actually, a new video with this transformer. I have some fluorescent tubes like this one, and I'm really curious about what will happen if I will directly power this with this microwave transformer. And I'm sorry for background noises, but yeah, I'm outside. Uh, I'm a bit late with this video, so I hope you don't get mad at me about this. I know I don't promise anything about this, but yeah, I have plans with this video. I hope anything will don't blow and will don't destroy my phone this way. And I think this is enough. It's around 1 meter, almost 1 meter distance between the fluorescent lamp and my phone. So yeah, I hope anything will don't go wrong, like to blow something in my phone or in my face. So I will just power this shit on. Oh, my circuit breaker trips almost immediately. Okay, that is my circuit breaker, but as you can see on fluorescent lamps there are some burn damages. Oh no, the transformer starts smoking. Okay, I hope it cools down before I want to do it again. Oh no, it starts smoking again. Let me unplug it. Okay, here I have my main phone, and I will use its flashlight to see the actual damage from here. Yeah, I think the problem is with the primary coil, as you can see. But here, with this sheet, the only damage, only visible one, is this black line around this white tube, and it's like melted something inside. But yeah, I'm not sure. But this actually works. But my transformer probably will blow if I will do this more. But yeah, let me check. Oh yeah, it's really hot. It's really hard to touch, and that's a problem. So yeah, please don't try this at home. But actually, yes, it works. But basically, this lamp is based on arcs inside, and normal use, you have a starter or something electronic. I have this kind of equipment for this. Is something small. Is um, actually the size of this, but thinner, just this way, something like this. I don't know how to explain well, but here's the thing. This normally works when from this part and this part create an arc between its components. For here is a filament, here is another one, and here is, I know it's a gas, it's a neon gas, and on the actual glass, this white part is something with mercury. I don't know, I'm not sure, but yeah, I want to see if this can powers on one more time to see exactly how it's going. So I will plug it again. If I find the actual socket for it. Oh, I'm pretty dumb today. Okay, and now I will just power it on again. As you can see here, there is nothing going to happen, but Probably if I will do this for a long time, the filament from these parts, in my case in this part for the actual black line is more visible in this part, so I think there is some more damage than the other one. Will just melt or blow, and probably this will shut off, or first my microwave transformer will blow. For this is probably case for this transformer gets too hot for me, so yeah, it is the problem. But yeah, this shit works somehow without actually fully destroying this. But yeah, I know this is a pretty small one, so yeah, I probably should use